Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a little haul from Tira Beauty and I'm so excited to share my haul with you. It's been a hot minute since we did a beauty haul on this channel. I've been reviewing a lot of products, but I'm so excited for this haul. There are some restocks, some products that I absolutely love and I just needed to get my hands on them again. I have a lot of skincare, a little bit of hair care, some makeup as well. It's going to be a very exciting haul. Tira is actually turning one. It is their first anniversary and their anniversary sale is running from the 24th to the 28th of April. You can get up to 60% off on your favorite brands. You can also use this coupon code TIRA1 for additional discounts. So this is going to be the perfect recommendations video for you. Let's start the haul. I picked up two products from this brand called Klairs and this is at a flat 20% off right now. So definitely a good time to pick up your Klairs essentials and I absolutely love this brand. This is a Korean skincare brand. I've tried out a bunch of products from them. The Rich Moist Soothing Serum is just the best product. If you've done a chemical peel or shaved your face or just been out really long in the sun, try out the Rich Moist Soothing Serum. I love that. But I did pick up the Klairs Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. This is an oil-based makeup remover. This is my favorite way of getting rid of my makeup. I don't like rubbing my face with cotton pads or wipes. I just like to take an oil and melt everything off and then use my face wash. So I love double cleansing. This is such a nice lightweight oil. It comes off easily and it also removes my waterproof mascara, which is the biggest test for any makeup remover for me. If it can get rid of waterproof mascara, then it's a winner in my books. And I love that this is super lightweight. It totally melts off all of my makeup without much rubbing into my skin as well. It's very effective and then it comes off easily with water, and I have used it twice already, so I can tell you that it totally works because makeup removers are something you don't need to use a lot of to understand whether it works or not. This totally does. Such a pleasant experience to use this. If you're looking for a nice cleansing oil for your makeup, definitely give this one a try. The next product I picked up from Klairs was the Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. I had heard so much about this. This is one of those holy grail products that are super viral and I'm pretty sure if you're into Korean skincare, you must have heard about this as well. This does come in a scented version if that's your vibe, but I personally just got the unscented one. I do use a lot of actives on my skin, so I thought, hey, let's try the fragrance-free version. It's formulated with a base of various botanical extracts to balance the skin's pH level and provide full nourishment to the skin. So I think this is actually really nice for dry skin. If you have normal to dry skin, you will really love it. In fact, the first time I used it, I just put on one layer, let it dry, and then put on another layer, and it felt so supple and soft on my skin. And then once you put on your serums and your moisturizers, this is probably helping it to absorb nicely into your skin without drying your skin out. So if you're using retinoids and things like that, which do tend to kind of give you like a peeling or a drying effect, acids and retinoids. So I think this is a nice product to use in a complete skincare routine. If you have tried this out, do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you think. I've been trying so many products from the Derma Co and I absolutely love moisturizers. I kind of collect moisturizers and creams because I feel like moisture is the essence of youth. So I want to try all of the moisturizers. Derma Co products have been really impressing me. I've been talking about them quite a lot recently. I've tried out a bunch of their products. Their vitamin C is amazing. They have some bomb sunscreens as well. Their nail serum is really nice, and of course moisturizers. So I wanted to try another moisturizer from them. This packaging is so chic, like green and white. It goes with my background right now. The Derma Co is up to 30% off. This is the 5% propylene oil-free moisturizer. I do have oily combination skin, but sometimes at night I do like to use products that are meant for more drier skin because I do like to really moisturize my skin well, especially before going to bed. But during the day, sometimes I prefer slightly lighter moisturizers that are not going to make my skin too greasy. Got this one to try it out. This is for deep hydration, 5% propylene glycol, 1% hyaluronic acid plus ceramide complex. So it sounds really nice, and this is up to 48-hour hydration, lightweight and calming formula. I absolutely love using moisturizers that have not many actives, that have things like just moisture sealing ingredients like propylene glycol and hyaluronic acid to attract moisture, and ceramides to really help repair the barrier of my skin. And that means that I can basically mix this moisturizer with all of my serums and all of my actives. I can use an acid-based serum, or I can use a vitamin C serum, or a retinoid, or a niacinamide, and I don't have to worry about whether my moisturizer can mix with my serum or not. So I love these no fuss moisturizers, and this one is new, so I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna tell you what I feel about it in my coming videos. I'm sure I'm gonna talk about this and all of these products that I'm gonna show you. You may have heard about them or you're gonna hear about them, because some products are restocks and some of them are new and just exciting to try out. So I got this moisturizer to try it out, and she's gonna let you know what she thinks. Oh my god, you guys, Benefit is up to 50% off. This is the perfect time to pick up any of the Benefit products that you've been eyeing. And then I remember that Benefit used to do like the tints. Benefit was like the pioneer of the tints with the Benetint. So I remember that Benefit had some great tints, and I was such a huge fan of their Cha Cha tint, the previous one. I'm not sure whether that is still available, but I was a huge fan of the Cha Cha tint at a point in my life. But I saw that they had Go-Go tint, and the color of this looked so cute and interesting. It's like a neon, corally, girly, pinky kind of shade. It's such a nice color for the summertime. It's just like summertime in a tint, and you can put this everywhere. You can put this on your eyes, on your lips, on your cheeks. It's just like a tint for everything, and Benefit was the first to bring out the tints, and now everybody is into the tints. So I just absolutely loved the color of this and wanted to pick this up for myself and try it out. While browsing on the Tira app, I was just looking at all of the MAC stuff that they had, and I remembered how much I used to love the MAC Studio Fix line, and it used to be like the epitome of full coverage, camera ready glam. Studio Fix was it at a point in my life, and I wanted to get back to that because I knew that formula kind of stood the test of time. The MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and the Studio Fix Fluid was such a hit, so I wanted to give it another try because I remembered how much I used to love it. And why fix something that's not broken? It used to do amazing on my skin. So I picked up the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I am in the shade NC30, and this is the OG Holy Grail MAC Studio Fix foundation that we all used to know and love, and it's still available and it's still bomb. And the color matches me really well. I just absolutely am so excited to get back into the MAC game and become a MAC girly again. And MAC is actually at a flat 20% off. So this is the perfect time to pick up any of your MAC favorites or any of your MAC wishlist items. This is the time to grab them. So I got two products from the Studio Fix range. This is the Studio Fix Fluid, and I also got the Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. I used to be the biggest fan of their Pro Longwear Concealer. You can go back to my really old videos like 6 years ago, and all I used to talk about was the Pro Longwear Concealer like 5 or 6 years ago. But I saw that they had this version and I wanted to try it out. In fact, I absolutely love the Studio Fix powder. That is one of my top 3 powders of all time. So I actually wanted to get all the 3 products, but then I decided to get these 2 first. The Studio Fix foundation and the Studio Fix concealer. The next time I'm gonna do a glam makeup look, it's gonna be with these products. I'm so excited to try them out again. And lastly, I got some products from L'Oreal Paris. I'm a huge fan of L'Oreal Paris. I talk about them all the time. I love L'Oreal Paris as a brand. I think they're one of those brands that do everything well. Like, they do really nice makeup and they do amazing skincare and fantastic hair care as well. How many brands can you say that do all 3 of these products super well? And there are some star products in all of these ranges that I absolutely love. So I restocked some of my true favorites from this brand. I've been using and loving the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum for my face. I've used it on my face for at least a month now, and I absolutely love the result. So I picked up another one for the body because I know this is meant for the face, but this just works so well in reducing pigmentation and evening out your skin tone and exfoliating without drying it out that I thought I need to pick it up for any of the pigmentation that I want to get rid of on my body. So I think I'm going to apply this second bottle on my elbows and my knees. There are so many ways you can use a glycolic acid serum. You can even use it in your armpits to make sure they're even and get rid of any hyperpigmentation. If you have any acne on your back, on your butt, I think this is such a great product to use to get rid of any of the hyperpigmentation and any of the scars and the dark spots and the marks. So it worked so well on my face. It totally got rid of like 2 or 3 of my acne scars super fast. So I really wanted to give this a try for the body. So I picked up another one, and I absolutely love that L'Oreal Paris skincare is like rightly priced. It's not exorbitantly expensive, super affordable and super effective. Like I don't want to spend many thousands on a hyaluronic acid or a glycolic acid, and L'Oreal Paris just makes them so well, and it's so well priced. Like this is 749 rupees, and L'Oreal Paris is currently up to 50% off on Tira Beauty. So you definitely don't want to miss this. Pick this up. They make fabulous serums under 1000 rupees, and so I also picked up their hyaluronic acid serum, which is another one of my favorites. I think it is just the perfect hyaluronic acid serum, and it's rightly priced again, and it's so effective. It does the job well. It makes my skin plump and healthy, reduces fine lines over a long period of time. When you keep using hyaluronic acid, your skin remains plump and fine lines don't really form that deep. So it really truly does help in making your skin look super plump. It's also a really nice product to use before makeup, because then you also get a temporary plumping effect with hyaluronic acid, which is really beautiful under makeup, but also good for long term. So I really like it, and I got the small size to put in my travel skincare bag, because sometimes when I'm going here and there, I always want to have like my favorite skincare products in a travel form as well. So I picked this up in a small size, but this is also available in this size. So if you want a bigger size, you can totally do that, and I would recommend you do, because it is at an up to 50% off, which is a great deal. So that was all for this haul. I'm so excited. I did get a bunch of really awesome products. Do let me know what you are the most excited about. This is the time to shop right now. Tira has some fabulous discounts going on their website for their first anniversary sale. You don't want to miss this. Don't forget to use this coupon code to save some more. Also, let me know if you want to see any detailed reviews on any of these products. If you have tried any of these products, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.